Hi there, my name's Gary Wood. I'm with Stryker Construction. Today I just wanted to highlight a project we've got going on right now for Focal Point Outdoor Solutions. We're building an office space for their field staff, their operation hub in the St. Louis area. Currently, we just finished up all of the demo. We're starting to do the ground roughs. We've actually framed up all of the perimeter walls. Got all of our high work done, our duct work. We're setting ceiling grid wires and stuff like that. And next step is we're going to be dropping in all of the grid so that we can frame all of the interior partitions underneath the grid. A little surprise happened the other day. It wasn't a huge surprise. I knew something was coming, but there was a bunch of existing wood walls at some restrooms that we were hoping that they'd be able to reuse and save some money. Inspectors came in and we were hoping maybe worst case they have to encapsulate all of those wood walls, but the inspector said rip it all out. And that'll cost a little bit more money, but luckily I called it out on the front end for these guys, so it wasn't a huge surprise. Nobody likes to pay a little bit more money, but we understand non-rated wood's got to go. So that's the update for right now. We're looking forward to progressing this project forward for these guys and getting them in the space. So we'll talk to you soon and see you on the next one.